into huge piles called snowdrifts, which can grow up to more than 20 feet tall. Since winter weather is frigidly cold, the snow does not melt. It will just pile up, layering sheets of snow atop previous snowfall. Big snow piles will continue to rise in height with each new flurry of snow until the snow plows are used to create pathways for travel. Due to this piling, the nature of snow blizzards can cause big problems. The snow buries the sidewalk and mailboxes, and blowing winds knock down the trees and power lines. The falling snow can make it extremely difficult to see. This is called a whiteout because everywhere you look, there's nothing but white. The snow may not fall so hard that you can barely see a few feet in front of you. When this happens, blizzards keep adults from going to work and kids from going to school. This is most commonly referred to as snow day. How Jack Frost connected to the wintry weather. Jack Frost is a mythical of frost and cold weather. For centuries, people have held him responsible for frosty weather, for nipping your nose and toes, coloring the autumn leaves, and overall beginning chilling weather into season. Actually, frost is the term used to describe the white ice crystals that form on the surface like the ground or leaves of a plant. Frost is created when air temperatures drop below freezing and the water vapor in the air freezes into ice crystals. The end.